So what we're not going to do is sit here and act like I'm not glamorous AF, okay? This hair is absolutely beautiful. It's definitely giving Hollywood vibes, rich auntie. I'm sitting at the Thanksgiving table, everybody looking at me like, dang, she look good, you feel me? But the good thing is I installed this unit straight out of the pack, okay? Yes, a human hair unit that I did not co-wash, did not plug, did not bleach the knots on. From the box to my head, that's it. Super simple and real easy. So sis, if you want the details, which you should want, definitely stick around so we can get into it. What is going on, ladies? It's your girl Carrie M. If you're new here, please make sure you click on that red subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, you know what to do. Click on that notification bell, okay? Because your girl does a little bit of everything. Now, first of all, this unit was sent to me from Yolissa here. So shout out to y'all for sponsoring this video, okay? So I'm going to get into the details really quick while I do the unboxing. This is the 13x4 body wave highlights wig. It's 22 inches long, 180% density. I will put all of the details, the direct links, and all of that to the unit directly in the description box below. And they did provide us a couple of goodies up in here, you know, wig cap, edge comb, you know, eyelashes, you know, stuff like that, okay? And an elastic band to get this wig laying flat. As I stated in the beginning of the video, this unit was styled directly out of the box. So all I did was take it out the box, I installed the unit, and I did a little bit of a touch-up, okay? So you're going to see what I'm talking about. I'm going to say off jump, I do think as far as ease and stuff goes, is definitely lazy girl approved because the unit is already looking like something, okay? And I ain't have to do nothing. So initially when I popped the unit on my head, I was definitely feeling the color. Like the color is giving me so much life. I love how chocolatey and brown the brown is up in the dark root area, because sometimes when we do get like a blonde unit and we're going to get like a dark root, is normally like a 101B. This one is definitely giving chocolate, okay? So we got nice, it's like it's giving us all in the same tones from the chocolate brown to the ash blonde. Like we don't have any black up in here. So I'm feeling it for like the monochromatic but not monochromatic look. Is very, very beautiful. And off jump, the hair was absolutely soft straight out of the pack, y'all. You do not get the elastic band sewn into this unit, which some people do prefer for a glueless install. So also when I place this unit directly on my head out of the box, I did notice that it does not lay flat, especially because we don't have that elastic band as well. So I would definitely consider melting this wig down. It's going to give you some longevity. Of course, if you want to wear a unit for a couple of days or something like that, it's definitely work. But it was also easy to install. So if you want to melt it down on a daily, you can do that as well. But I'm just letting you know, as far as glueless goes, on my head, it wasn't going to work for me. As far as the fit goes on the unit, y'all, this is a medium cap that they gave me for this unit. But I'm going to tell you like this. The unit fits me, but what doesn't fit me, which I do have issues with sometimes, I don't know if it's the shape of my head or what, is the hairline shape. I feel like the hairline shape always makes my wigs fit like they're too small, because up in the middle section, the wig comes down really low. And then on the sides, it goes back really back, where it's showing a lot of my edges on the side. So it's not really a cap issue. I just think it's the shape of the hairline. So when I do go in to install the unit, I will make some adjustments in the hairline and the way that I cut the unit. So that way it's going to be fitting me as good as going to get. And when I was installing the unit, I did tug on it, like, you know, to hold the lace exactly where I want it so I can cover up as much edges as I need to cover. Now, I think the hairline on this unit is pretty decent. It is a nice little pre-plucked hairline. And considering the color that I have it in, it's like so brown that it's kind of melting right into your skin. So even if it was blunt, you can't really see that. Like the hairline with this wig color is just like, it just goes, okay? And that is also, I want to bring up the party space, because of course you can party whatever you want. I did add some makeup to my party space to make it more defined, but if you want to pluck yourself out of party space, you can do that. But I don't feel like it's necessary, because even without me adding the makeup to the party space, I felt like it was looking pretty decent without it. Like I said, because of the color of the hair and the cap and my skin complexion, it just kind of all blends together, where it doesn't really matter because you can't really tell. The knots all up in this front area, though, I will say is definitely showing, but that also has something to do with me cutting into the hairline in that area, because the hairs in front of it was a little bit more bleached and you didn't notice the knots as much. Now the hair had like some minimal tangles, like it wasn't anything crazy that you would need to like worry about, like why is this hair tangling. As I was styling it, I had like little baby tangles. It wasn't really shedding either, so it was really good in those two departments. And I must say that it does hold a curl. We already know that it already came curly. It is a body wave texture. And when I did add some additional curls up in the front area, you know, like I said, just to spruce it up, because your girl was not about to sit here and curl this whole unit, so I did just curl up the front area just so it could be a little bit more defined into my liking. It actually helps. I didn't have to put any hold spray or anything in it. I just put my little heat protectant and that was it. I think that the ease on this unit is definitely easy. Like, it's very easy to install. If you are used to melting down lace and wigs and stuff like that, then it's gonna be no issue for you at all. If you are a beginner, of course, I always say you have to start from somewhere. I would still consider this wig to try for your first time for melting a unit, because it was easy. It wasn't really difficult to work with at all. And I think that the lace is okay. I think the lace looks pretty good, y'all, because you know we be having some lace that's too thick and too light. This lace is like in the median as far as the texture goes. It's not like the thinnest and it's not the thickest. It's somewhere in between in the middle. And also the color was a little too light, but just adding that little pressed powder that I added to it, I feel like just did an amazing job. And I just feel like it looks really good. I mean, lace is lace. You're still gonna see lace, but as far as the melt goes, I think it looks amazing. To me, I think it looks really freaking good, okay? So as far as my overall thoughts on this unit, I absolutely love this unit, okay? This is my first time trying a unit from Yolissa wig, and I was like, I don't know, but I always wanted to try a unit with this type of color, because I know y'all seen colors like this on straight units, body wave units. Like, this is a vibe. I'm absolutely here for the color. Like I said, the hair is really freaking soft, and I'm shocked because it's a blind unit. I love the 22 inches. I think it's a nice little, you know, a nice little length. And because it is body wave, you can definitely hit this up with a flat iron or something like that and straighten it out if you want a straight look. So I love body wave for that reason, because it's very versatile. It is a silky texture, of course, a nice silky, a beautiful texture. I am in love with this unit, and I am super happy that I installed the unit straight out of the package. Don't have no issues. It ain't tangling. The hair already soft. Like, this unit is the bomb, y'all. I feel like so cute. This is like a rich auntie type vibes. Like, this unit is so beautiful. It's glamorous, y'all. And it is 180% density. And I would definitely say that it's giving me the full 180. Again, it is silky, so you know it can appear to be a little bit thinner, but as far as the feel goes, it's definitely full, and I like it. I think this unit is absolutely beautiful, and I definitely recommend it. This is the bomb, like, and it was easy. I mean, look how natural and good this is looking. Like, girl. Girl. It's looking like everything. And no, it doesn't feel tight. Like, I still have space in it. Like I said, the sizing was more so of the shape of the hairline, fitting my face and framing to my face. But the fit, we got space. So your sister's happy. Y'all know how I do at the end of the video. I just get the yapping. But that is it, y'all. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Again, all of the information for this unit will be linked in the description box below. So make sure you go ahead and click and pick yourself up one. Okay? I heard Thanksgiving around the corner, and they gonna be having a little Black Friday sale. So hook yourself up. I will see you later. Later, ladies. Bye. Mwah.